Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to know and match with who has liked you on Tinder for free without paying anything at all. So let's jump right into it. First we open Tinder and then we go to messages by tapping on the bottom right here. Here you can see that it tells you that this person likes you, but if you try to tap on it to see who he is, it will ask you to pay or else you'll never know who he is. But you can always go back to the main page where you swipe people, and that person will always, or in most of the times, be the second person right after the first one. So if we try to take a peek right here, you can see it right there. No matter how many times you close the app and we try it just like I'm doing right now, we go back to Tinder, the first person changes, but the second one is always the last person who has liked you. So let's go ahead and try to match with that person. And voila, it's that easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please drop a like and comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for future tips and solutions to your problems. And thanks for watching.